Alors c'est la troisième fois que je l'utilise ce robot sur un animal. Ça m'a paru finalement assez simple dès la première fois. Ça va assez vite, on met un stent en moins de 10 minutes.
What was really fantastic is to see the facility to implant the stent. Was easy to first of all descend in the artery with the guide wire. Second, to descend the stent in the zone that we defined before the procedure for the stenting deployment, and then everything was easy to remove. And what was really impressed that we did this without any X-ray exposure.
This kind of robotized system is important for the reason that we can reduce dramatically the X-ray exposure. We have really to solve this problem because the X-ray exposure is directly related to tumors or other big problem for the interventionist.
They have done an excellent job, I must say, because I have seen the device. They have developed a robot which is really ergonomic, which is very simple to use. It's really impressive. So with joysticks, you can really reproduce what you are doing by hand.
When you have the guide wire inserted and clip in the system, in the machine, the guide wire cannot move.
Et puis il y a aussi travailler avec peut-être plus de précision, de façon plus facile de reproduire à l'identique des gestes qui sont parfois assez fins dans les mouvements de rotation, des mouvements fins du guide. On peut changer la vitesse à laquelle il va tourner ou bouger, le mélanger à la fois des mouvements de rotation et de poussée. Enfin, vraiment, il y a des avantages très nets pour l'opérateur aussi dans la précision. Et puis pour le patient, on a des réponses indirectes. Quand l'opérateur est content et que tout se passe bien, le patient peut en tirer bénéfice.
Le fait qu'effectivement un robot a un comportement qui est toujours le même et donc qui permet d'éviter les écueils de l'erreur humaine.
The third point is that you are doing the procedure sitting on the chair, and it is true that you are really relaxed. You have your two hands on the platform of the robot, and the precision in the manipulation of the wire and the balloon catheter is really exceptional.
I think that having a broad vision of interventional cardiovascular medicine, probably one great application will be neurointerventions and peripheral vascular interventions.
So I think that there is definitely a future, and I have absolutely no doubt that this technology will spread in the world. They have been improving the prototype, and I've been following myself the several generations of prototypes, to the point where they are today. They have a device which is really excellent.
Le mot de la fin ?
Vive la robotisation.